First, I want to say thank God for everything, for knowledge, for strength, and for everything. Big up to all my friends, my fans all over the world. Jamaica, big up yourself. Toronto, big up yourself. England, big up yourself. Guyana, big up yourself. St. Lucia, big up yourself. St. Vincent, big up yourself. All over the world, just big up on yourself. And God come first and love on one. What I want to say about the Gordy song we just come out with, a Calypso song. Actually, the Gordy song is like bees in the Gordy from back home in Jamaica. And I used to remember as a young girl, bees in the Gordy. So I decided I want to make a song called Bees in the Gordy. I thought it would be a nice thing to make a song called Bees in the Gordy. And you know that the man of the bees, like, and your pum pum of the Gordy. So you know, him having bees in your Gordy. So I decided to make a song about that, you know, and to make a calypso, which I think would be really nice. It's my dream to be a singer. And I didn't know I was going to be a star, or, you know, I was going to become famous all over the world. I never thought that at all when I start doing my little thing and thing. But you know, God is giving the will in my heart for me to go ahead and have faith and just push myself. No matter how old you is, no matter what, you know, what you believe in, just do what you like and what you think you really, really, really want out of life and what you want. And my dream is to get a nice place to live, a nice place to live, because really I'm really, really poor and I don't have nothing. I really want to get a nice little place to live, one like a furnished place, and fix it up and make it be comfortable and nice, or even get a little house so I can help other who are less fortunate, you know. And because hungry is not a really nice thing. And I remember when hungry strike me, me have days when I'm really, really hungry. So I know what it feel like to be hungry and don't have clothes or don't have shoes to go to school, or don't go to school a lot. I didn't get a lot of schooling. But thank God, God gave me knowledge. And it's like a year ago, I was walking on the street when a guy said to me, so you think you should do some singing? And I was like freestyling something. Come just always humming music to myself. I just really like music, and I always come up with some different music in my head, but I never do anything. One go in the shower with them and come out the shower with them in my brain and sing around the house, you know what I mean? And he said you should try it, and I take like 6 months to make up my mind. And I decided to go, and one day this guy from Facebook started to write me. He was a friend, and he started saying to me that, you know, he's a singer and blah blah blah, and he was trying to like look home, and I was like, I'm not interested. So he says a singer, and he was looking for somebody to do some music and his album and stuff, and I was like, okay, maybe I can do it. And then he said the studio that I record, that's the studio actually gonna do it at. That studio, that's before I joined that studio, you know. So I was like, that's interesting because it's not too far from my house, and I was invited to the studio and I never went, you know. So anyway, the guy never showed up on the corner of my answer, and I was like, what the heck am I doing? Gonna go sing with somebody else, and I try to help my own self, and it's time for me to go on and myself. So anyway, I ended up at the studio and I started out and with Diallo, which is my engineer, and trust me, we started from scratch. And no matter a lot of songs, a lot of songs already done. I write them all myself. I'm actually a comedian and also a songwriter and a singer. So this is my song. I just dropped like Sunday night. Sunday night, I just dropped the song. I write it myself, and it's a calypso song. So listen to it, and if you guys like it, enjoy it. Enjoy it, share it, tell everybody about it, dance to it, post to it, whatever you want to it. God is good and his mercy into it forever. through. You don't know, write it by me, Oliver Smelly. You don't know, we're up on the road. I'm not stop all kind of music and I don't know anybody. You don't know already. So that I'm a new piece. You don't know. See it there. Enjoy it. Share it. Don't know. Love on up. Big up on yourself.